And coming up in our morning rounds segment for the week, we'll be talking with Dr. Michael Lai, Director of Diabetes Services at Marian Medical Center. It is Wednesday, and that means it's time for morning rounds. Dr. Michael Lai, the Medical Director of Diabetes Services at Marian Medical Center, joins us this morning. And Dr. Lai will be one of 4 physician speakers at the upcoming Power of Prevention Symposium. And Dr. Lai, tell us a little bit about this event.
Well, this is Arroyo Grande Community Hospital's annual education symposium and community health fair. And it's open to the general public.
Okay.
Attendees will be able to receive information and learn from the presentations of these 4 physician specialists as well as a registered dietitian. We'll be talking on a variety of health topics, and people can come by and,
and see what's going on. And tell us a little bit about the power of prevention. Why is that so important?
Well, from a diabetes standpoint, I've been taking care of diabetic patients for well over 25 years now. And when I first started practicing, we wound up mostly just treating the complications of diabetes, and we couldn't really do much to manage or prevent them.
Right.
Now we have the tools and the medicines and the knowledge now to help prevent these problems in the first place, and we're even moving towards trying to even prevent the development of diabetes in the first place.
And that also reduced costs for everyone involved, right?
Certainly,
the
yes.
insurers and the patients, right? Tell us a little bit about that, if you would.
Well, the cost of diabetes is staggering. Anytime a patient goes into the hospital, the health care costs rise dramatically. So what we're doing nowadays is trying to prevent, the complications such as end-stage renal failure, dialysis, amputations, heart disease, and we have guidelines now set up to help us to, try to improve our outcomes and reduce those problems in the first place.
And not only will you have your different people presenting, but you also have some other things at the like a health fair.
Yes, the health fair also includes some free screenings to the general public. These don't have to be scheduled. You can just walk up and do them. There's screenings involving strength and balance for older patients to prevent falls, and also blood pressure screenings. Then there'll be a number of booths set up where patients can also receive information on various health topics and also get tuned into some of the local community resources to help them take care of these problems.
Yeah, exactly. And this is free to the public, or anybody can come?
Yes, it's open to the general public. It's going to be at the Clark Center in Arroyo Grande on Saturday, October 15th.
And what are you hoping that people will take away from this symposium?
Well, I would hope that they would take away a renewed sense of buying into the whole thing of prevention, healthier lifestyles. We're going to talk about that a lot in my talk with diabetes, because that impacts a lot on that kind of problem.
And it's not just diabetes as well. I mean, there's other ways that you can prevent other diseases, right?
Yes, certainly. The other physicians will be talking about early screening for colon rectal cancer, earlier detection of breast and lung cancers. The nutritionalists will be talking about how diet and nutrition are important in prevention and management of disease processes today, too.
Okay. It sounds like it could be for everyone. So good idea to have the symposium. And it's this Saturday, right?
Yes.
At the Clark Center in Arroyo Grande. Okay, Dr. Michael Lai, thank you so much for joining us. We certainly do appreciate it. And stay with us. We'll be right back.